Are you looking for a tool that will take your productivity to the next level in DIY projects, woodworking, and even welding? Then you need to check out the adjustable right-angle clamp with rotating jaw in aluminum alloy. Yes, this tool will transform the way you work, offering precision and convenience at every angle. This clamp is a real lifesaver for any project that requires perfect 90-degree angles. Want to assemble cabinets? Need precision to align pieces for welding? Or maybe you're building something at home. This clamp solves all these challenges with a firm and secure grip, thanks to its rotating jaw that adjusts perfectly to the pieces you're joining. And the best part? Its single-handle design makes it even easier to handle, speeding up your work and making everything more efficient. This clamp provides millimeter precision and a firm grip, all with a body made of extremely durable aluminum alloy. It's ideal for high-level woodworking and DIY projects that demand the best in quality and finish. You'll never have to worry about misaligned or poorly fixed pieces again. With this tool, you're always guaranteed a professional result. And what's even more impressive? Even though it's a top-of-the-line product, it requires no assembly. That's right. Take it out of the box, and it's ready to use, straight into your project. No more wasting time with complicated tools or endless manual adjustments. The adjustable right-angle clamp is here to simplify your life, saving you time and effort. Plus, with thousands of positive reviews and a 4.8-star rating, you know you're not just buying a tool, you're investing in a reliable, tried, and tested solution trusted by many professionals. And yes, it's already one of the best sellers. So make sure you grab yours before it's gone. This tool is incredible, and you know I only recommend products that I've personally tested and trust. The discount link is right here in the video description. Don't miss this chance to transform your DIY and professional projects.